You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names as well as how to say more confusing names, including Spanish names that many mispronounce in English. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to become more part of the community. For reference, in Spanish it is said as Josue, Josue. In English, generally said as Josue, Josue, or in American English, Josue, Josue, or Josue. From Spanish, Josue. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.